Hi, and Happy New Year, and welcome to our channel. So I'm actually going to a New Year's party, which is why my makeup is done. But before I go, I wanted to talk to you guys about Metamucil. So this is actually psyllium fiber supplement, and I have been using this every single day, and I promise it did change my life. And I know we say a lot of things change our life, but this actually did, because I don't know, I used to just feel really hungry, and I was getting very concerned about my weight. Like, I was putting on a lot more weight because I was eating all the time, and I never really felt full. And then I started, counting my calories, watching my carbs, and I was getting really tired of it. And then my mom actually told me to start eating fiber. She said it makes you feel really full, and I was just like, okay. And then I Googled how much fiber an adult needs a day. And it told me like somewhere like 25 to 30 grams. And I was thinking about how much fiber I get, and it's not very much. There's like 2 grams of fiber in an apple. So then I started doing more research on fiber, and turns out like as we age, our metabolism slows down. And so fiber is like something that helps you stay full, helps keep your metabolism up. And I realized like, okay, I should really up my fiber intake. So let me see how this goes. So this product is also plant-based. So, you don't need to worry about like vegan people can have this too if you're vegetarian. It's also gluten-free. So that's really helpful too. And then, but it is possible for this to like cause allergies. So then maybe to start off with like a small amount, and, measure, like I would say start slow, because, it does regulates your digestive movements. So you want to build up to the 3 times a day. So you might want to do like 1 time a day, and then 2 times a day, and then 3 times a day. Honestly, I don't do it 3 times a day every day, because I just feel so full by taking it 2 times a day. And it's really, really created a change in my life. Basically, this is the Metamucil that I have is mostly psyllium fiber and also sugar. It's like real sugar, and then also like some citric acid to make it taste a little orangey. And then the way you take it is you can put 1 to 2 tablespoons in an empty glass, and you mix it, and then you have to drink it really quickly, or else what happens is the husk absorbs the water, and it gets kind of like thicker, and it makes it hard to drink, or like the texture is a little weird. So, but when you put it in initially and like mix it, you can barely even taste it in the water. So I just chug it, and it works out perfectly because I take it as soon as I wake up in the morning. So I just start my day feeling pretty full. Like, I don't feel the ravenous need to eat food. And so when you're measuring out how much to take, like if you're doing, this also has a lot of other benefits, not just the feeling fullness. So it helps your digestive health by promoting regularity. And then it also helps your heart health by lowering your cholesterol. And then it helps your blood sugar levels by leveling it out. And I also did notice that, because, when you wake up and you really want to eat something, or after you eat a meal and you need something sweet in your mouth, like you need to have something sweet, it's because your blood sugar levels are unregulated. And so after I started taking this, I realized I don't feel that dying need to have something sweet after my meals anymore. And it's because my blood sugar is a lot more level. So if you just want it for those benefits, then they usually say to take 1 tablespoon, put it in a glass of water 3 times a day, which also helps you get in a lot of your water intake. But if you want to use it for like appetite control and like feeling really full, you can go up to 2 tablespoons up to 3 times a day. So it's about like 6 tablespoons a day. And so if you do the 2 tablespoons, it gives you about like 6 grams of fiber each time you drink it, which is about 18 grams of fiber the whole day, which does help me reach my like 25 to 30 grams of fiber intake. And yeah, I cannot rave enough about this. I've been buying this for all my friends, giving it to them as gifts, because I don't think anybody talks about how important fiber is as we get older. And yes, I definitely recommend it. So yeah, go ahead and go buy it. The link will be in the bio below. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and have a great new year.